was an ambush that happened in Kangpokpi district, between these two areas in Kangpokpi district, which is dominated by, and unfortunately, the government of India is not taking, they have not been taking any interest. If the government wants to stop this, they could have done it long time back. Yesterday, in a place, there was an ambush that happened in Kangpokpi district, which led to the death of 3 church leaders belonging to a tribal community called Thado community, and 5 people were injured. And that was sometime around 10 to 11 a.m. And in the evening again, around 6:30, another violence happened in Nonne district, where a man belonging to a minor tribe, Chiru tribe, was also killed. In both the cases, it was an ambush by unidentified armed men. These tragic incidents are part of the same continuing lawlessness in the state of Manipur. The first is a very, both the sites are very sensitive since 3rd of May 2023. The first place in the Kangpokpi district where these 3 church leaders from Thado community were killed happened between Kojim and Kolend, between these 2 areas in Kangpokpi district, which is dominated by Kuki-dominated areas. And another area in Nonne district, which is called Zozang Tek, the second incident happened, which, if you recollect, in my speech in Parliament, I have referred to this place as Bermuda Triangle of the state, where we have earlier cases where on Linthoi Ngambi, a young girl disappeared. We don't know about her whereabouts. This was at the beginning of the crisis. So the lawlessness continues, and unfortunately, the government of India is not taking, they have not been taking any interest since the very beginning, and we have been insisting that if the government wants to stop this, they could have done it long time back. It's not a clash, it is an attack, it's an ambush, which led to the death of 3 tribal Christian leaders and Thado Baptist leaders. And that was in the morning around 10 to 11 in Kangpokpi district, which is a Kuki-dominated areas. And then you have Zozang Tek, another in Nonne district, which is also in the hill areas, which I have referred to as Bermuda Triangle of Manipur. People have disappeared there, and no traces. So it's, first of all, it's not a clash. So this is an attack, and civilians' life have been lost. But this is a continuation of the same violence that started on 3rd May. That has expanded in other parts of Manipur, and more communities get implicated now. So I think this is, some sinister forces are doing this. The fact that the Indian state has not reined in this violence for almost 3 years, and it still continues. So people started suspecting that the government of India is involved, at least some agencies. Otherwise, ये हो ही नहीं सकता बोलो, क्योंकि you have these deployments all around. But accountability has to be fixed, no? आपका deployment है, इसके बावजूद ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? Why do we have this despite security deployments? And that needs to be investigated.